guess what time it is? It is now time to reveal the pink room makeover. I'm Sharon, and this is my wonderful daughter, Ashlyn. And the person that's videotaping is my other child, London. All right, so now if you remember the pink room, it was like all kinds of ways. So let's go. Oh,
Miley wants to be pink.
All right, so let's get ready to reveal the pink room. All right, Ashlyn, I'm going to step out of the camera as always. I know what's wrong with Miley, the dog. And Ashlyn is going to open the door. So here I go.
Okay. Go ahead, Miley. Go over there. Go ahead. Okay. All right, so I'll do Vanna White. Is it Vanna White? Okay, ready?
Okay.
This is my room, by the way.
This is the pink room. Oh, well, it was the pink room. But look at what color it is now. Isn't that pretty?
These are my flowers also.
Let me catch the whole room first. Ooh, I got you dark over there, Ashley. And let's get this side right here. And now we'll bring London back in and we'll tell you what we did to the room. All right, London. Okay. All right. First thing we did was we got rid of that pink color.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. And then, so we brought in
a new dresser.
And then another, a mirror. I had to paint the mirror. Woo, it's a little muddy. And then a vase, lamp. And over here, I kind of wanted to accent the wall with some blue. And my favorite look is, if you go back some, can you get the curtains in? The curtains are gorgeous. What do you think, Ashley?
They're very pretty. I was against some of the colors she was throwing out.
We went bold this time instead of neutral. We went with like orange, white, and blue. These pillow shams I made. And if you're wondering what happened to the pink curtains, I used the back. I made made the pillows, and I made this pillow right here also, and this one. And so a little accent of the. I actually found paintings that had the same color in it. I can't remember.
TJ Maxx.
Yeah, and if you turn right there, up above is the word dream. That was painted blue. And and right here is Ashlyn in a picture.
That's me, my 7th birthday. Go ahead and zoom in on there. Look at all my presents. Yeah.
Oh, look at her. All right, and so we brought in white nightstands because we wanted it to match up with the white bedspread. And this now the bedding, like I said, I got for like $34 altogether from my favorite thrift store. And those are Ashlyn's flowers over there.
That I got from work.
Yes. And I think that's it. So, Ashlyn, this is now your new room. What do you think?
I love it. I'm so happy the hot Disney pink is gone. That was so overwhelming.
Yes.
It's a more neutral tone. It now looks like I'm an adult. It looked like I was 5 in the last room.
Yes, I like this room. I like this room because it's not the neutral colors. So that is our reveal. You want to let us know what you think?
Wait, you didn't do the pictures on the thing.
Oh, and this is Ashlyn and London's picture right there.
We went out to dinner.
Oh, yeah, they went out to dinner and didn't invite me.
She was at work.
So now, as you can tell, I love staging a room. That's just a plug because I'm a real estate agent. That's going to be a favorite part of mine. So now, let us know what you think. Do you like the orange, blue, and white? Or did you like that pink color on the wall? Say no. So that's our next thing we will do is we will tackle the closet because we didn't tackle the closet. But we'll do the closet next. That's our next makeover. And we will see you soon.
Bye.